This is a service video by GL Technics. Before you start servicing your EBS 100, make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the pressure. Firstly, disconnect it from any power source by simply pulling the cable. Now make sure that the hose is connected to the collection tank. Now you can check the gauges, and if they show 0 bar, this is a good indicator. But you can never be certain. This is why you have to follow the next steps. Bring lever A to position A2 and B to B3. Then A to A1 and B to B2. And finally, both levers to position 1. Now you can vent the system by pushing the valve. Your EBS 100 is now pressureless and disconnected from any power source, and you're good to go. In this video, we want to show you how to remove and clean the sieve and filter in your EBS 100. In order to do so, you'll need safety goggles, a metric size 4 Allen key, wipes, and a metric size 19 wrench. First, move to the back of your device. Now remove the cable and use your metric size 4 Allen key to remove the backplate. Put it aside safely. Here you can see the filter, which includes the sieve. Place your wipes underneath it and use the metric size 19 wrench to open the filter housing. Remove the filter cap. Be careful, as fluid could come out. Remove the sieve and make sure that the O-ring is intact. Now, use compressed air to clean the sieve. Now that the sieve is clean, it can be replaced onto the O-ring, and the sieve with O-ring can be put in the filter housing. Make sure that the O-ring is centering the sieve in the housing, as this is crucial for later functionality. You can see the seal on the filter cap. By screwing on the filter cap on the filter housing, the seal should disappear. If the seal doesn't disappear, however, please start over. Now it's time to reapply the backplate with your metric size 4 Allen key. Finally, put on the cable and plug it in. And this is how you change and clean the sieve and filter on your EBS 100.